Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy from Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your monitor panel for your Class C RV. Your monitor panel consists of a couple components. The first component you'll notice is your generator, where there's a switch that says stop and start. To power your generator, all you have to do is simply hold the stop button down for a couple seconds until you see the red light turn on. Once the red light turns on, now hold the start button until the generator fires up. Once the generator is running, it will take about 60 seconds for it to connect to the electrical system. Once it's running and after 60 seconds, you'll have full functionality for your electrical system. Next, you'll find 5 small buttons with labels beneath them. This is where you can check your water tanks, battery, and propane. All you have to do is simply push and hold each button, and it will light up either 1 to 4 red dots. Looking down on the monitor panel, you'll see a button that says slide, extend, or retract. This is to operate your slide out. Only units that have a slide out will have this button. To operate it, you have to be plugged into shore power or have your generator on while being parked. The final 3 switches you'll see are for your water system. The first says water pump. That is to utilize any water that is in your freshwater tank. The next 2 are labeled water heater. One says 110V. That means you have to be plugged into shore power or have your generator on to use that water heater. The final one is propane. You must have your propane tank open to utilize this heater. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.